New at 10, we're following the case of a Harlingen woman known as Melissa Lucio. She's now just days away from her execution date. Today, her family and advocates asking for clemency. In a hearing held today, the Commission on Criminal Justice Reform heard from juror members and legal experts. NBC 23's Talisa Hampton has more on the hearing and what it looks like for Lucio's fate.
Melissa Lucio was sentenced to death in 2008 for the murder of her 2-year-old daughter, Mariah. Now the Texas House of Representatives Committee for Criminal Justice Reform says they want to halt Lucio's April 27th execution following questions of her trial.
What I want to know more than anything as a citizen of this great state is that the system can be trusted, that it's fair, that it's reliable. And right now I have, as a policymaker, severe and sincere questions and concerns about whether that's true.
Johnny Galvan is one of 5 members of the jury who regrets sentencing Lucio to capital murder. He says new evidence was revealed following the trial.
Did not know that her long history of physical and sexual abuse made her vulnerable to falsely confess. No one took us through the interrogation to show us how many times she asserted her innocence.
Committee Chairman Jeff Leach says Lucio has 4 options, one of which is Cameron County District Attorney Louis Sines to withdraw the execution date. This is because, according to the committee, Sines requested an execution date for Lucio, while Sines at first said he wouldn't withdraw the order.
I'm not going to usurp the authority of the Court of Criminal Appeals, of the writs that they upheld, of the District Court, of the Circuit Panel, of the Supreme Court. I am not one to all of a sudden unilaterally say, well, I don't care what they did, but I'm going to recall the warrant. I'm not going to do that.
Leach says Sines has the ability to halt the execution.
I'm just going to state it. You have the power right now, single-handedly, tonight, to withdraw this request, to push the pause button on her execution so that exactly what you just said can take place, so that we can have new evidence presented, so that there can be opportunity for cross-examination.
However, Sines does not believe Lucio's execution will happen April 27th.
I believe the Court of Criminal Appeals is going to issue a stay.
Why do you believe that?
Because there's a lot of pending motions that need to be heard.
If the court does not take action by then, Sines says he will step in.
To answer the question I'm being asked, if a Court of Criminal Appeals or Federal District Court or any court of competent jurisdiction that has jurisdiction over this case does not issue a stay by that day, and there's still motions pending, then the right thing to do is not to go through with the execution. And at that time, I would ask the warrant to be withdrawn. Okay. Now, the problem that we have is that I would have to ask the 138 District Court to withdraw the warrant. The defense has filed a motion to recuse said judge. So said judge would not be able to act on any on my particular request at that time unless that issue has been put to rest by that time.
Leach believes it can be worked out before Lucio's execution date. I'm Talisa Hampton.